From recruiting and consulting firm Riderflex, I'm your host, Steve Urban, and here is your Riderflex podcast episode of the day. And on today's episode of the Riderflex podcast, my number one reason to outsource certain things, especially if you're a small to medium-sized business, assuming you're not good at everything. Now, you can look this up, you can Google it. There's all kinds of articles and reports on it. You know, the list goes on and on. Save labor and operational costs. You can focus on your core competencies. You can lower risks when you start to scale up, free up resources in the building, meet compliances and regulations that you may not be set up for, etc. The list is endless on why you should probably outsource certain things. But my number one reason is it creates happiness. Why does it create happiness? Because you hate it. You're not good at it. So why not outsource it? If you're happier, your employees are happier, morale lifts throughout the entire building, employees stay longer, turnover decreases, overall productivity goes up. And there is your Riderflex episode of the day. If you think today's tip or guest interview can help someone you know, please share this with them. If you've enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. The Riderflex podcast features entrepreneurs, business executives, and the stories behind how they got there, as well as daily tips on career advice and job interviewing. You can visit riderflex.com to learn more about us and get information and pricing on the recruiting and consulting services we provide. Thanks so much for listening and have a great day.